Hello, I am Stacy Paulson. I am a wife, mother of six amazing children, ages 17 down to 4 currently. And I'm also an entrepreneur and I'm an essential oils guru. Absolutely love essential oils and what they have done for our family. So, the one that I want to talk about today, and hopefully you can relate, but I don't know if you personally have ever felt like just a real mean person or a little high strung, little anxious, I don't know, go off the handle a little bit, a little stressed. Uh, as a mom of six, I feel that often and learning to manage that better. But my bigger concern is for my kids. I don't have any children that have been diagnosed with ADHD or autism or anything really on the spectrum, although at moments I feel like they may, all of them. But in particular, I have my daughter, Minna, who is currently 7 years old. And since she was young, she has always been just a very high achiever, go, 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 busy, busy, busy. And she's usually just a tremendously happy girl and super helpful, loving, kind. However, she does have these moments of out of control, either rage, fits. She at one point was hitting her head on the ground. She still has a bump that the doctors say will gradually go away, and it looks like a little unicorn, but it's kind of her mark. But that's what we were experiencing and trying to figure out, how do we cope with this? And so something that I found was a recipe for a blend. They called it Peaceful Child Blend. And so I would buy all the oils that went in that blend and I would put all the drops in according to the recipe and I would put it on her, and it worked phenomenally well. She did not like it going on, so it would initially bring up a little more of that rage and whatever was going on with her at the time. But within minutes, you could see her kind of melt, and she would just be calm and peaceful and in control of her emotions. And I thought that is just so incredibly empowering for me as a mom, that I had a tool that I could use that was super simple, and I didn't have to be a psychiatrist or a therapist or have special training to learn to handle this. That it was so simple and easy for me to be able to pull out that oil and to put it on and to show her love and just give her a few minutes to be able to calm down and be more in control. And those moments are a lot more far and few between, but occasionally they will occur, and having an oil on hand that does that has been really helpful. The thing that I love is the doTERRA, because so many moms were using this and mixing up their own concoction and stuff that they created the blend. It's called Peace, and it comes in just a regular bottle or in this roller bottle that you can just roll on. Let me tell you the oils that are in there. So the oils in there they put fractionated coconut oil in there, so it's diluted down, which is good. A carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil will hold on to those essential oil molecules so that when you put them on your skin, they don't dissipate as much into the air, that they will be kind of held bound onto your skin so that more will be absorbed. So fractionated coconut oil, vetiver, lavender, ylang ylang, frankincense, clary sage, marjoram, I don't even know how to say it, so who cares, and spearmint. So basically, I was buying all of those, mixing it together, and applying it. Now I can just purchase it. And I love this oil, not only for my kids, but also it's helpful for me. So if I see that I'm needing to have a little more control over my emotions and feel more peaceful, it's just a quick pull it out, put it on. I love it. So if you have any questions about essential oils, or if there's any way that I can support you, just click on the links below, and would love to have you reach out.